Hi, Diana with FlexiFuse. We have a new project for you that I'm way excited about. If you've been shopping for clothes anywhere, you have seen a lot of these denim shirts. And so we're gonna put our project on this shirt. The one we're doing today is Jillily. I should put it in one word. This is her design. She has a side bike and then she has a bike that is facing forward. I'm gonna put this on one side of the front and then I'm gonna put this bike on the back. So let's get started. Because my fabric is so thick, I can't see through it. So I'm going to build on a mat first and then I'm going to transfer it over to the fabric. So this is our favorite mat that we use and we have. I love it because everything picks up. If you get a little bit of the sticky on, overpressed, it just rolls right off. Works with hot glue, works with paint. It's my favorite mat. So we're gonna use this mat. So what you're going to get is you're going to have your layout guide. This is for number 2, the second bike we're gonna build for the back. So the layout guide will come, and then you're going to have all your pieces come in a bag with the FlexiFuse on the back. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I've kind of sorted my colors with all my green leaves, my flowers, so that I can kind of find the pieces quickly. I have left the little block dots in a bag because they can get lost easily and they're one of the last things that go on. So what I have done is I have taped, first of all, my layout guide, and then I've put my mat on top and I've taped it so it will hold still as we put pieces together. So I've already put a few pieces on for you. It's important that you look at numbers because you want to know what lays on top of what. This one, I laid, this leaf was 1, 2, and 3. So you don't have to work in the order of the numbers. This one has over 50 pieces. You can work in sections. Just be careful to look at the numbers so you know what to lay down. Okay, we're gonna build this piece right here. I already have down 4 and 5. The next piece is number 6. So I'm gonna lay number 6 down. And it shows me that it doesn't overlap on this piece, that it does overlap on the other one. So we're gonna put that in place. And again, we're just gonna tap it in so that it'll stay down. Try to make sure I hit a spot that has the pieces going together. Okay, so that one's down. Now I could go on into the next numbers, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish this so that that is done. I'm using this little iron I didn't show you. I love this little iron because I can tack down. I don't want to use this to, when I get done and put it all down onto the fabric, I want to use a hot iron. But this gets hot enough that I can just tack it down on the mat. It'll hold the pieces so when I pick it up, they're all hooked together. I'm going to very carefully take this off the mat. Remember, they're not all hooked down, so we're just going to move it carefully over to our fabric. And we're going to get that bike where we want it to be. Now that I have all my pieces laying flat, and I've kind of touched them, got them kind of spread out so that they're all laying flat on the jacket, I am going to use my pressing cloth again, and I'm going to place that on top. This allows us so we don't burn the fabric. And we're going to use the hottest setting on our iron, dry. We're just going to press those into place. Okay, I have all my pieces ironed down. And look how cute it is. I can't wait to stitch it down and to be able to wear it. I'm going to put the bike on the back, and so when I get that done, we'll share that with you too. Remember, this is raw edge, so you're going to need to stitch down all of your pieces so it can be washed. But I'm loving it. Hope you do too.